product of all number, it will be 1. A number can divide it by 1. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we called it even numbers. Next question, like terms. With the term 5x plus 3y plus 2, we haven't here like terms in this example. Okay. Letter C, the number of terms. The number of terms, we have 3. Letter D, like terms with expression, we haven't like terms here, right? None. Letter E, Ziad saved X pounds and his father gave him 10 pounds so that he would have what? X plus 10. Okay. Question letter F. Space have a horizontal axis, horizontal bar graph and double bar graph and histogram. We must write all the previous. Sure, all the previous. Next question letter G. If the mean of the Manal and Shayma's age is 7 years and the Manal's age is 6 years, then Shayma's age will be what? We will put x refers to Shayma's age, and the age of Manal was 6. We have 2 persons, and the mean equal what? Equal 7 years. He gave us the mean of Manal and Shim's age, Shayma's age 7 years. It's the mean between the age of Manal and Shayma. We will put x refers to Shayma's age. We won't find Shayma's age, then x plus 6 divided by 2 because we have 2 persons. We know the mean equals sum of the values divided the number of the values, and then x plus 6 will be equal 2 times 7 equal 14. Then x will be equal 8 because 8 plus 6 equal 14. Next question, second, complete absolute value of negative 0.7, it will be 0.7. Letter B, the least common multiplication of 2 relatively prime numbers, it will be their product. We must write their product such that 2 and 3 won't find the least common multiplication between them. We won't find the times between them, or if we have 2 and 9, we call that relatively prime numbers, then the least common multiplication of 2 relatively prime numbers is their product, right? Their product. Question letter C, the smallest positive integer, it will be 1. Letter D, the algebraic expression 3 times b, it will be 3b. Letter C, the smallest positive integer, okay. Letter E, if y minus 2 equal 9, then y here will be equal 11. Question F, in the inequality represent all values less than 2, it will be x less than 2. Question letter G, the number of letters that of the first name of each student in the class will be non-numerical, or what? He would find the number of letters. Number here, it will be numerical. Numerical data, not categorical. Categorical if we won't find the description or letters, but in this example, we won't find the number of letters. This data will be numerical, right? Numerical. Question letter H. Space and space are affected by outliers, mean and median. Okay. Mean and median affected by outliers. The point outliers affected to mean and median. Third, choose the correct answer. Space is neither positive nor negative. It will be 0, 0. about question letter A, 0, non-positive and non-negative. Letter B, 6 less than what here? Less than 8. Letter C, if 5x equal 40, then x will be equal 8 because 5 times 8 equal 40. Question letter E, if the dependent variable is student score in the exam, then the independent variable depend on what here? Depend on score. It's a number of correct answer in the exam. Okay, right? The number of correct answer. Okay, right? The number of correct answer. Okay, letter D again. It was letter D and it was letter E, and we have A, 0 is non-positive and non-negative, 6 less than 8. Letter C, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, it will be 2 power what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 power 5. But it was letter E, the number of correct answer. It will be what? The result here, right in the space. The number of correct answer. If the dependent variable is student score in the exam, then the independent variable is the number of correct answer. Letter F, the range can't be found in what? We can find it in histogram, because histogram contains of interval and the period. Right, histogram. Question letter G. The mode of the values represent using opposite dot product equal what? The mode here, the most repeating, it will be 6. Question 4. Number 1, a road that is 15 kilometers long was paved in 3 stages. First stage here, 7 and 2 over 5 kilometers. The first stage, and 4.5 kilometers was paved in second stage. How long the distance paved in the third stage? Okay. Question 4, number 1, we have a road divided in 3 stages. First stage here, the long was 6 and 2 over 5 kilometers, and the third 4.5 kilometers. We want to find third, and we know this example. The long was 15 kilometers. Then we can find the distance in third stage. Third stage equal 1 subtract 15, because the length here about this route 15 kilometers, subtract by sum of 6 and 2 over 5 and 4.5. And then we can write 15 subtract by the difference between some of this number. We can find the result here and find the result using commutative properties here. Right, the least common multiplication between two numbers, it will be 10, because 5 and 2 we call it relatively prime numbers, and 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 5 equal 10, 1 times 5 equal 5, and then we can convert 15, it will be 14, and write 10 over 10 to find the difference between two numbers. And then 6 plus 4 equal 10, and 5 plus 4 equal 9, and then write 10 in denominator. Then 14 minus 10, it will be 4, and 10 minus 9 equal 1, and then write 10 in denominator. Then the length here, it will be 4 and 1 over 10 kilometer. It's the length of third stage. Question number 2, find the value of algebraic expression of each of the following. Letter A, we have g power 2 minus 16 divided by 8 if g equal to, put g equal to 2 power 2 minus 16 divided by 8 equal to, 2 power 2 equal 4, 4 minus 2 equal 2. Letter B, we have 3 power p plus 6 times b power 2 minus 3, add b equals 3. Put b equal 3 here, it will be 3 power 3 plus 6 times 3 power 3 equal 27, 3 power 2 equal 9, 9 minus 3 equal 6, and then write 27 plus 6 times 6, 36, 6 plus 7 equals 13, 3 and carry up 1, 3 plus 1 equal 4, 4 plus 2 equals 6, the result will be 63. Next question, draw the histogram. It's very easy to draw histogram. Here we have the interval here, and we will draw the graph from first interval to 8. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. First interval to 8. Second interval to 14. Third interval to 6. To 18. And the next to 4. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, you can draw here. It's very easy for you. Okay, draw a box bullet to find the lower quartile and upper quartile, median. This example, first step, we won't find the median. First step here, you must arrange all the values assembly, right? 2 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9. The median here will be, the number lies in the middle. 5 plus 7 divided by 2 to find the median, or again the number we have 8. We have 8 and 9. Okay. First step here, you won't find the lower quartile. You must draw the number line here and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want here draw what? Draw box bullet. Okay, I will draw box bullet here. In this example, choose the minimum and maximum. Minimum here 2 and maximum 9. And we know 7 lies in the middle. 7 here, the median. And lower quartile, we can find it from this part. It's lower quartile, it will be 2. 2, it's the lower quartile. And upper quartile from this part, it will be 9. And then draw the box bullet here to the median. The median was 7. Okay. Then we can write here lower quartile. It will be 2. As the median will be 7. And our quartile, it will be 9. Okay.